Hey team, JT Accessible here. Today we're going to talk about alternative text errors in Word for Windows 2016's Accessibility Checker. Errors. Alternative text. Rule. All non-text content has alternative text, or alt text for short. What's verified? All objects have alt text and the text doesn't contain images or file extensions. Why fix? Screen readers speak the alternative text to describe images and other non-text content that users can't see. Based on the alt text of non-text content, users should understand the purpose and meaning. In the example, we've inserted a picture, but it doesn't have alternative text yet. That's a soup sandwich. Adding alternative text. Right-click the image. Select Format Picture from the context menu. The Format Picture menu will appear. Click the Layout and Properties icon. Enter the alternative text in the description field.